Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to generate a new YouTube video with all the new amazing AI tools such as ChatGPT, Play.ht or Pictory.AI. I will show you how easy it is to create a completely new YouTube video with all these amazing AI tools. I will split this video into 3 sections because each video needs a YouTube script, audio, and basically the compilation of the video, which will be done in Pictory.AI video editor. So let's get to it. So to start, we will use ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT to generate our YouTube script. So I tested some maybe ideas I was thinking about. Then we will use Pictory.ai basically to create a YouTube video for us with visual effects, transcripts, and basically everything, including subtitles. It's very easy to use. And the last part of the video will be dedicated to creating audio for the video with some ultra realistic voices. Personally, I do not own a YouTube automation channel, but there are many people talking about YouTube automation where you basically can create videos with all the amazing AI tools and then just post them to YouTube and you will be able to monetize them and make a lot of money with them. First, let's use ChatGPT where we can quickly generate our YouTube script. We just need to send a prompt to ChatGPT requesting what exactly we want. So I will just generate a 350 word YouTube video script about top 3 capital cities, let's say for young people. And as you can see, we will probably get a pretty good response from ChatGPT. So let's see what it does for us this time. So prepare a 350 word YouTube script, and it has started already generating um, a YouTube script about top 3 capital cities. So the first one will be Berlin, the second one is Montreal, Canada, and the third one is Melbourne, Australia. Okay, so this looks actually amazing to be honest. So this has been generated in less than a minute, I believe, so it would take you definitely a longer time to do it yourself. I believe we have a pretty good YouTube script, so now let's see how we can use Pictory.ai to generate basically the whole video and then we will create audio for the video. So let's go to Pictory.ai. You can Google it. You can also use the link in the description. Feel free to use my affiliate link. So you just go to Pictory.ai. You can see my name over here and now we will just generate the script to video. I have just copy pasted the text to this part of the screen. We can also name our video, so that would be like top 3, I believe, capital cities for young people. So very simple, very easy. And now let's see how quickly it can generate a video for us. So you can just go over here, it will highlight the keywords and based on that it will basically generate the video. So you can just go to proceed. Over here you have to choose a template, so maybe choose something that you like. I really like this kind of subtitles. So you have many amazing, let's say, templates or anything that can be basically used for the whole video, which is amazing. So maybe let's use, which one should we use? I kind of want to have the subtitles in the middle, maybe like this. This looks pretty interesting. We will choose an aspect ratio for the video, so 16:9. That's pretty simple, and now it will automatically generate the whole video for us. It will take maybe just like a minute or a couple of minutes, and then we can basically be done. If you don't even want to use the audio for the video can be done within a few seconds. It will also use music, background music for us, so you will not really have to do anything. And as you can see, it has already split the video in many amazing sections. It has highlighted, let's say, the keywords, and based on that, it's generating also the video in the background. This website is completely for free, but to be honest, if you download and generate the video, there'll be a watermark. So if you want to use it professionally, you would have to go with the paid version. Feel free to also use my affiliate link in the description of the video. Already have, I believe, like what, around 20 scenes, so that's quite a lot, but it looks amazing, and you didn't really have to do anything. The text was automatically generated by ChatGPT. In my opinion, the video looks stunning, it's incredible. If you want to change the text, to be honest, I have not even read the text, but I fully believe in this AI. So I think it has done an amazing job. So maybe we can just quickly, let's say, preview the video. So you can see there will be a watermark mark like this after you try to download the video. So it's not, let's say, completely for free. Normally it also adds background music, but not sure if that has been done also in this case. So let's preview the video. And yes, so it looks amazing. I don't really like the music, to be honest. It's a little bit scary and it's maybe really loud, so maybe we don't have to make it that loud. We can change it. We can also change the background music. Maybe we can choose this one. Hmm, maybe night driving, that can be interesting. Maybe not. So District 12 maybe. Yes, I think this is better. And so let's apply it. And you can see that the estimated video duration is around 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Now maybe if you want to change the, let's say, the subtitles or anything, you can go here. You can also change the position if needed, or you can basically play with it a little bit and do whatever you want to do with it. You can change the transitions. So it's really, really amazing. It looks just stunning. And as you can see, this created variety of scenes with predefined video. But if you maybe don't like the video, as this one where the kid is running, so you can change also the video. So you just need to search maybe for something different. So it's also home to many young entrepreneurs. So you can maybe look for a home or something over here. Home, and change, let's say, the predefined video which was chosen for us. So it's really fast and really simple. We can maybe change the position of the text if you want to. And it's really easy to play with. Yes, so you can do whatever you want. Maybe we can even add some text or do basically whatever you want to do. So maybe you can try to many young, you can change it over here. It's also home to many young, let's say, people and startups. Very simple to use. And yeah, so this is it. So the next step, what we would need to do is to, let's say, apply either voiceover, or let's say create your own voiceover, or maybe you can try to generate an AI audio. To be honest, I would suggest that you use, either you pay someone to do it for you, or you do it yourself, because if you just generate an AI automated voice, It's not always guaranteed that your channel can get monetized on YouTube. Even though I know many YouTube channels that are actually monetized, even though they are using AI generated voices. So let's try to create an AI generated voice for us. We just go to Play.ht. It's a website, also a service which you can use for AI generated audio voices. Let's try the ultra realistic voices. So create audio, use standard realistic voices. It's also limited. It's for free but limited. So yes, this should be our transcript. So let's maybe try to use it and let's see what it does for us. So convert to speech. And it has been done. So Jenny English version. So let's see what it sounds like.
Welcome to our video about the top 3 capital cities for young people. First on our list is
So it sounds pretty good. So let's just download it. Again, it was really fast, really easy to use. So I have a free account. So it's limited, kind of. Now let's go to Pictory.AI and let's apply our AI generated audio to our video and we will have a final product. So you can use my upload section and you can basically just drag and drop and use this audio for the entire video and it will actually automatically sync, or you can even use Pictory AI audio voices.
Welcome to our video about the top 3 capital cities for young people. First on our list is Berlin, Germany. This
So
city
as
is
you
known
can
for its
see,
vibrant nightlife, with countless bars and clubs to choose from.
it's basically amazing, and now we would be able to download it. It will actually have a watermark, but if you maybe pay for the basic version, which is like $50, I think it's $47 per month, it will not be that bad, and basically you can create a YouTube AI and fully automated channel. The only thing you will need to think about are the topics of the videos, but you can actually use ChatGPT to do it for you. You can maybe ask a prompt to generate, let's say, I don't know, top 100 most followed topics on YouTube. Just remember that ChatGPT um, is basically only using data until the end of 2021, so it does not include all of the recent data. So you might see some differences in the prompts that it is basically generating or the responses. So right now our video is being generated, so let's see how long it will take it to generate a fully usable YouTube video. So the video has finally been generated and now you can very easily download it. And let's maybe try to watch it, what it looks like.
Welcome to our video about the top 3 capital cities for young people.
As you can see, the video has been generated. There are maybe some edit parts which I don't like the part at the end, but if you are already creating YouTube videos, you can just maybe edit it in your preferred video editor and get rid of it. For example, in Shotcut, in my case, you could even apply maybe like a blurred out part for the watermark, and it can be um, basically almost amazing if you do that, and then you can just fully upload it to YouTube. Let's maybe try to upload it to YouTube just for fun and let's see what happens. So upload the video, select files, downloads. Okay, so let's just wait while it's uploading. We can maybe ask ChatGPT to write us a title for this video and a video description. You can just ask ChatGPT to describe maybe best YouTube video title based on the script it has prepared for us, and it will give you a really good example of the title you can use. So maybe like top 3 capital cities for young professionals. This looks amazing, and we can also use it for description of the YouTube video. So prepare best description of the video, of the, let's call it a YouTube video. Not sure if it helps, based on the title above. So you can see it generating it quite quickly, and we can potentially even use this as a video description. So this is done. You can maybe add some other links. You can choose a thumbnail or create your own one, but all of them look pretty good. And yeah, even checks has been done, so no, it's not made for kids. Checks, there are no issues of copyright found. So this looks pretty awesome. You can add an end screen. I will just do that. Amazing, save. I would do more checks, of course, and that's basically it. So it saved as private. I do not really want to publish it because I don't want to use this video, but this is how you would do it very quickly and very easily. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video if it was helpful for you, and leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe see you in the next video.